Okay guys, ito na yung Queendom na prod last Sunday. Ang daming nagre-request sa akin. Pasensya na, medyo na-busy talaga sa work. So, yun lang. And I'm telling you yung start. Yes, Julian.
You're the best thing I've ever known. That's the way I can ever go.
Placement siya dito. Detail.
I don't wanna be free. I'm staying.
Oh my gosh, Rita.
And you, aren't you?
Ay.
You're gonna love me.
Wow.
You're gonna love me. Yes, you are.
Uy, grabe.
And I'm telling you,
Ayun lang.
even though the rough times are so
Ang grabe. Jesus.
there's no way, there's no way. We're part of the same place. We're part of the
Thea, oh my
same
gosh.
time.
Ang ganda ng
We
boss. Ang
both
kapal.
share the same blood.
Okay, girl.
We both have the same mind.
Ang galing. Grabe, Thea. Dragon. Wow, the lemon growls. And now let's go. Oh my gosh. Ang gagaling. Grabe yung Julie. Ala. Oh my gosh, Jessica. Oh, F5 yun, grabe yung Thea. Now the back vocals. Sabi na eh, siya yung pahit na eh. B flat 5 yun. Taas. Let's go, Rita. Yeah, go, taas. Love the growl. Sustain. Wow, one breath. Ang galing nila, grabe. G5 yun. Julian, her back. Ganda ng back vocals. Look at Rita. Grabe yung ano niya, voice niya. Yes, girl. Ganda ng harmony. Harmony? Oh my gosh. Kilabot. Ang taas ng Jessica.
You're gonna love, la 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 love, la la la.
Laro. Oh my gosh, Queen! Let's go, Dragon. Yun lang. Ang ganda niya mag-growl, grabe. F5 na may growl, grabe yun. Ay, ala, scooping yung atake niya. O, bastos. O, ayan, lagot. Ang galing. Ang galing. Hala, kaya mo, be? Yes, be. Yan, ganyan, sa baba. Oh, freak. Yun lang, umakyat din. Lagot. Ang galing, kaya. Ayun, nag-ladder up siya. Ay, bastos din. B flat 5 lang naman yun. Oh my God, Julie. Ang linis. Grabe. Kompleto lahat ng mga notes sa dulo. Ay, nako. Grabe. Queendom, wala akong masabi. Akala ko ba tapos na yung concert nyo? Part 2 na ba to? Ay, sorry. Guys, I don't know if they sang some other songs before this performance, pero ito pa lang, punong-puno yung tenga ko, yung puso ko, sobrang nagagalak. Dito mo makikita talaga kung gaano sila kagaling. Walang tapon, vocally equipped silang lahat. May kanya-kanyang estilo, kanya-kanyang strengths as singers, and nagpapasalamat kami dahil napakaganda ng performance niyo, nakakatuwa, and we are just so proud of you guys. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. That was my reaction. Shout out sa lahat ng queens out there, and see you very soon. And please keep on sending more video requests for Queendom kung may mga na-miss out ako dyan. And yun, see you again next time. Bye.